Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special lined up for you, a comprehensive look at AI-powered chat plugins. Please watch until the end, where we demonstrate some fun ChatGPT plugins. Let's dive in. First up is AIPRM, a versatile plugin known for its extensive library of preloaded prompts. We'll be using it today to generate 30 social media posts for a yoga studio, along with image suggestions. Then, we'll create a yoga content schedule. Lastly, we'll convert one of these posts into a full-fledged blog article. Next is Wolfram, a plugin that capitalizes on the extensive Wolfram knowledge engine to offer deep insights. We'll ask it about South Africa and also fetch a relevant image to accompany the information. Let's move on to One-Word Domain, a tool that helps you brainstorm domain name ideas. Our prompt for today: I need a domain for my yoga studio in Lisboa. Let's see what it suggests. Up next is Tasty, a culinary companion for the foodies among us. For today's demonstration, we'll start by inputting a set of random ingredients, and then Tasty will provide us with individual recipes for each. And then we can ask the AI to present us with recipes that creatively combine our chosen ingredients. We're now moving on to WebPilot, a powerful tool that allows you to interact with web content directly from your chat window. Our task for WebPilot today is converting a Wikipedia article on artificial intelligence into an engaging blog post. Here comes VoxScript, a tool designed to fetch real-time data from various online sources. For today's experiment, we'll summarize a YouTube video using VoxScript. Next, we have diagrams, a tool for visual learners and those who love creating flowcharts or diagrams. Today, we'll create a diagram to visualize the world's population. Up next is Keymate AI Search, a specialized tool for conducting advanced searches. For today, let's find out when the next Springboks rugby match in Europe is scheduled. Let's explore Instacart, a useful tool for meal planning. We will request a week-long meal plan for a family of 2 adults with no gluten or eggs included. Instacart will provide us with a handy link that takes us straight to the checkout, where all the necessary ingredients are preloaded for your convenience. Video Insights is a tool that provides a summary of videos. It also allows users to chat with the summarized content to learn more about the material. Earth is a plugin that generates map images based on specific coordinates or locations. It allows users to create custom maps. For example, a map of Cape Town can be requested. Prompt Perfect is a tool that helps users communicate more effectively with this AI. It improves the accuracy and nuance of the AI's responses. For example, It can help users write a Facebook ad for a yoga studio by refining their initial request to include more specific details. Prompt Perfect would refine this to compose a meticulously crafted and comprehensive Facebook advertisement targeting potential customers interested in yoga. Your response should include a clear and structured message that effectively highlights the unique features, benefits, and atmosphere of a yoga studio. OpenTable AI is a plugin that helps users discover restaurants and make reservations. For example, it can be used to search for Thai food restaurants with availability at 8 p.m. in London. AI Ticker is a tool that provides access to financial documents, including SEC filings and earnings call transcripts. For example, it can be used to get an overview of Apple's financial performance. Easy Resume is a tool that helps users create resumes. It offers formatting assistance, tips, and advice to improve users' professional profiles. It is suitable for both seasoned professionals and recent graduates. Indeed, a renowned job search platform now available as a plugin right here. Today, we'll use the prompt, "I'm looking for a remote job as a web designer with 10 years experience." Visla, a creative tool that lets you craft short videos using public stock footage. For today's demo, we'll generate a short video focusing on a new AI meme generating tool.
Are you tired of spending hours trying to come up with the perfect meme? Look no further. Introducing the future of meme creation, a new AI meme generating tool. With our new tool, you can create funny and relevant memes in just a few clicks. Our AI meme generator uses advanced algorithms to analyze trends and generate timely memes. Never miss out on the latest meme trends again. Choose from a wide range of templates and customize them to your liking. Share your hilarious creations with friends and make them laugh. Join the meme revolution and unleash your creativity with our AI meme generator.
World News AI, a plugin designed to keep you updated with the latest news from multiple global sources. Today, we'll ask it to provide us with a summary of the latest trends in artificial intelligence from around the world. Prompt Storm, a Chrome extension compatible with ChatGPT, Google's Bard, and Anthropic's Claude. For today's task, we'll compose 2 persuasive emails aimed at encouraging people to download the free AI meme generator, Yippee Meme. HARPA AI, a Google Chrome extension that's more than just a one-trick pony. Powered by a hybrid AI engine, it combines the capabilities of GPT models like ChatGPT, Bard, and Claude AI with web automation. From summarizing and replying to emails, to rewriting and expanding text, reading articles, translating languages, and even scanning web pages for data, HARPA AI is a versatile tool designed to make your digital life easier. Scribe AI, a tool that's a new tool for anyone involved in creating how-to guides, SOPs, or training manuals. What sets Scribe AI apart is its ability to capture workflows directly from your browser or desktop and transform them into visual, step-by-step guides. Generative AI can be used to add titles, descriptions, and additional context to documents. There's an AI for it, the ultimate aggregator for AI tools across various niches. Whether you're looking for AI solutions in healthcare, marketing, finance, or any other field, this platform has got you covered. It's essentially your one-stop shop for discovering AI tools tailored to your specific needs. Taking a lighter turn, we introduce World Records, a platform that celebrates the extraordinary feats of human achievement. Today, we'll delve into some quirky and awe-inspiring records. We'll start by asking about the longest attack of hiccups, move on to the fastest marathon run dressed as an elf, and wrap up with the record for the longest noodle. Wrapping up our exploration for today, we turn to horoscope, a tool that offers astrological insights to guide you through life's twists and turns. Today, we'll seek a comprehensive reading for Libra, covering the outlook for today, the upcoming week, and the remainder of the month. Wow, that was a whirlwind tour of some incredible AI chat plugins. Whether you're planning your week's meals or hunting for a job, these tools have got you covered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.